my name is Janine Miller and you are watching Don't Touch My Frittata. Today we are going to make something from the flaxseed meal, organic flaxseed meal. There's a recipe on the back, the Energy Bites. Everything's going to be all organic here. So I am going to be using flaxseed meal, pecans, coconut flakes, rolled oats, chia seed, and cacao powder, and I will toss in some dark chocolate in the mix. All right, enjoy the ride. Okay, first I'm gonna take my rolled oats, and I have 1 cup. Put it in a mixing bowl. I'm gonna take a 1/4 cup of chia seed and pour that in the mix. I'm gonna take a 1/3 cup of cacao powder. Add that chocolatey taste to it. I'm gonna add about a 1/3 of coconut flakes, but use your own judgment, whatever you want. I chopped up some pecans. You have to have some pecans in the mix. Pecans go with everything. I cook a lot of my dinner with pecans. 1/3 cup of pecans, but just use your own judgment, whatever is to your liking. Okay, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. One-third cup of honey. I'm just using my own judgment on the peanut butter. It's organic, crunchy, and I put that much in it. Okay, I added some dark chocolate on top. But it doesn't matter, just throw it in the bowl. So now I'm taking my ingredients. I'm gonna lock my KitchenAid. I'm gonna put it on the speed blend. I thoroughly want this mixed. At first, I was going to mix it by hand, but I thought, nope, I've got a KitchenAid, and why not use the KitchenAid? Let's see if this is not fastened on properly. Sometimes you just have to make little adjustments, and then it'll be fine. I'm going to increase the speed. What I'm going to do is make balls, and then put them on my cookie sheet. In case you're wondering what that noise is, that's my dog Buster eating. Okay, so I'm gonna take the bites and then I'm gonna roll them into the coconut flakes. Place them back on the cookie tray. And you get the idea. I put the organic coconut flakes, I dipped them all in there, and now they're ready to go in the freezer. So I will freeze them for about a half an hour to an hour, and then I will throw them in Ziploc bags. And what's nice is that after I work out or before I work out, if I need an energy bite, I can just grab one throughout the week. It's wonderful. And they taste yummy, by the way.